G'day, Mr. B here. Thank you for taking the time to view this short video that will explain the learning outcomes of the following program. The Year 5 and 6 students will be focusing on how to apply safe practices in online environments and around avoiding cyberbullying. Students will be researching cyberbullying and how it can impact people. They will showcase their knowledge by working in groups to create an informative poster. They will eventually put on a display featuring the final products of all 4 components of the Digital Technologies project. The display will be put on for parents and other students. On day 1, we will begin by discussing as a class the students' prior knowledge of cyberbullying and what they think it is. We will then watch an 8-minute video on students dealing with cyberbullying. Students will then research where cyberbullying occurs, how it looks, and who it may impact. Day 2 focuses on the impact of cyberbullying. We will begin with a 10-minute class discussion on the previous research the students completed last lesson. As a class, we will quickly brainstorm these ideas on the whiteboard. For the next 30 minutes, students will group up into threes and research and participate in the games in the provided Student Wellbeing Hub. The lesson will end with watching a clever 5-minute video on how cyberbullying can be looked at like a virus. Day 3 is about students demonstrating knowledge and creating their poster. We will begin by completing the That's Cyberbullying handout. That will test the students' knowledge and ask students about scenarios where they will need to decide whether it would class as cyberbullying. We will then discuss these answers as a class and finally begin creating the posters. Students will jump into the same groups as last lesson and will collaboratively make a poster identifying key points of cyberbullying. I have included an example poster of what is expected of the final product. It explains what cyberbullying is, who it affects, how it looks, where it can occur, the impacts it can have, and of course how to prevent and stop it. Pictures can also be added to express the ways. I have also included a picture that I thought showed good ways to help stop cyberbullying. It shows who to talk to and ways to stop receiving the hate. It focused primarily on Facebook and social media sites. I have included resources for both students and teachers. They include handouts and games to be used, and sites to use for research and information. Thank you.